is going to be very, very similar to your test tomorrow. So what you have to do on number one is you first distribute. So you do that -5, distribute it in. So -5 times x, that'd be -5x. -5 times -2, remember you got to keep those negatives. Negative times a negative is a +10. And then for this part, you think of this as a -1. So negative times x is -x. Negative times 2 is -2. Then after you're at that point, you just combine your like terms. -5x minus x. -5 minus 1 would be -6, so that'd be -6x. And then combine your 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8, so +8. Anybody have questions on what I've done so far? Okay, then at that point, it's a nice, easy two-step equation. So you're just going to subtract 8 on both sides. They give you -6x equals 50 minus 8 is 42. Divide by -6, and you get x equals -7. Questions? I think I may have even done that one with you all. All right, and guys that are watching this recording, remember y'all can just pause it if you need to copy down something. So this one you're just going to distribute. So you have -3 times k is -3k. -3 times 2 is just -6 equals 2 minus 3k. Combine like terms. I'm going to go ahead and do 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So I give you 2 minus 3k equals 2 minus 3k. What do y'all notice at this point? They're the exact same on both sides. So what do you remember whenever you get the same exact thing on both sides?
It's the R word, infinite.
It's infinite, very good. So yeah, whenever you combine your variables, you get 2 equals 2. And 2 definitely equals 2. So you put the sideways figure 8. Or on the test, there's no way to make that symbol, so I put infinite solution. So you'll put infinite solution. That looks horrible, but it does say infinite. Question about that one? All right. Number 3. Distribute your negative. So negative times 7w is -7w. Negative times 12 is a -12. 2 times w is 2w. 2 times -3 is -6. Then we would combine our like terms. 3w minus 7w. 3 minus 7 is -4w. Then I'm going to add 4w. Some of you may have subtracted 2w. I don't like to deal with negatives, so I'm going to get rid of that. So I give you -12 equals 2w plus 4w is 6w. Then the opposite of -6 is +6. So -12 plus 6 would be a -6 equals 6w. Divide by 6, w equals -1. And guys, after I'm done going over this, I'll go back over any of them that you need to, but for the recording's sake, I want to keep on moving. If the videos get like more than 10 minutes long, I can't upload them. So I want to go ahead and do it. So -7 times a is -7a. -7 times -3 is +21 because a negative times a negative is a positive. Then we add 7a on both sides. And you'll notice that the variables will cancel out. We'll get 21 equals 11. Now, what do y'all think? Does 21 equal 11? No. So what would the answer be? No solution. So either it looks like a circle with a line through it, or like on your test, I can't do that symbol. So it's going to say no solution. So if they do not equal each other, it's no solution. If they do equal each other, it's infinite solution. And what that actually means is that for k up here, you could plug in literally any number you wanted to and it would work. If you put in 3 for k, if you put 219 in for k, you would still get the same answer. What it means for 4 is that there's no variable you can put in for a to get the right answer. So there's nothing in this world that will work. Okay, number 5. You're going to distribute. 9 times n is 9n. Okay, 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. Minus 7n equals 32. Negative 2 times n is negative 2n. Negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. So now you're going to do 9n minus 7n. That would give you 2n minus 36. Combine like terms on the other side. You would do 32 minus 16. 32 minus 16 is 16 minus 2n. Then you combine your like terms. I'm going to add 2n to both sides. That'll give me 4n minus 36 equals 16. Then just your normal two-step equation. The opposite of minus 36 is plus 36. So that would give you 4n equals 52. And then divide by 4, and you get 13. Anybody have questions on that one? Okay, and then number 6. 4 times 4y. Once again, we're distributing. That would be 16y. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Negative times y is negative y. Negative times negative 5 is a positive 5. Combine your like terms. 16y minus y is 15y. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. Add 7 on both sides. Get 15y equals negative 45. Divide by 15, and y equals negative 3.